Men leaned down to waste boxes, took a careful wing of a round pegged. Abruptly, a car was flown over a kilometer, just over. The situation of water flowers, while the voices of the pegged land have just been brought to the attention of the elderly who are watching the paper. Elderly, the round table was entirely silent on a jockey group, which, in order to avoid collisions, directly cultivated in the side. On the side of the fruits, 3 days of arsenic are immediately scuffled, herd stagnant fruits, and the stalls are immediately erected. This has also been caused the new public transport driver's polity is simply not aware of the changes in the former green light. At this time, the opportunity to pass through the road, bus flights are far away, but the traffic accident that has just taken place is not an accident, but is precisely foreseen by men 2 minutes ago. He only observed the street environment was followed by a perfect unintended plan. He needs only in these conditions to achieve this plan. The goal of joining a variable is that of a daughter who has just been publicly driven to death. Not too long, the police arrived at the scene of the case, but after it was turned down after an eyewitness survey, it was concluded that women were indeed killed in an accident, but that the blue assistance on the ground was brought to the attention of a police officer. If they return to the police station, they find them soon there was also an accident, while on-site assistance was just the same. At this time they are aware that this may not be the case unforeseen but carefully designed. However, in such an environment, it is true that some people are able to do so. Yes, there was no discussion of the outcome, but also an accident of transportation. However, after several arrivals, men found the accident minors, however, suddenly changed their face because it was only familiar with the peg. This is a time when a sudden reaction is made. If the accident was the result of the consent of the person, he would certainly remain on the ground because the accident did not cause death. An odd man drew his attention. Behind the minds of men, it is not thought that an accident will occur again. It is finally known who is the suspect. Males who know that they are exposed have not escaped.